Hi, in this session, we will discuss about what is environmental locking. So we used to call this environmental locking as dependency process or shared resource concept. Dependency process concept, shared resource concept. Let's observe this here in Blueprism. So what exactly environmental concept is? Environmental locking is internal business object. If you observe here in this action, see this environmental locking business object, environmental locking, it's an internal business object. And here we have three actions: acquire lock, query lock, and release lock. I will explain each and every action with the example, then you can understand very clearly. Let's say in any organization, so you will have multiple systems connected to one printer, right? Okay. When multiple systems at the same time, if they are trying to give the printer, get the print, it is not going to print all the systems prints at the same time. It will assign these prints to the printer in a queue process, first in first out process, right? When one system print is printing, another system will be in a queue until those prints completes. It will wait. Once it is done, then next queue will start, right? The same thing, the same concept we are going to use by using environmental locking for any shared resources. Here, shared resource is your printer, right? And then each and every system you will consider as a different process. When one process is using one shared resource, another process cannot able to use. It has to wait until the first process is has to be completed. This concept we are going to handle by this environmental locking. Here, acquire lock is nothing but a create lock. Simply remember this, acquire lock is nothing but creating a lock. Query lock means checking whether the lock is available. Release lock, it's nothing but a releasing a lock. Query lock, first when you give a print to one printer, it will check, is there any other systems is in a process or not. That is nothing but a query lock. Acquire lock means creating a lock. Once it is checked, so is there any prints is there or not? If it is not, then it will assign the tasks of that particular system to the printer. That is acquire lock, creating a lock. It will create a lock on that particular system. It means when that system is accessing that printer, other systems cannot able to access. That is acquire lock. It will create a lock on that particular system. Once all the prints is completed, then it is going to release that lock. That is nothing but a releasing a lock. So these are the three actions always we need to use in any particular process when you are implementing environmental locking. All the three actions is mandatory in any process when you want to perform this environmental locking concept, this approach. So we used to call it as a dependency process or shared resource concept. Remember this. In next session, we will see with the example how to work with this environmental locking concept. Thank you.